guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my outfits of the week. I used to do these all the time on my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're not new here, you probably have seen my outfits of the week and we're bringing them back. So I made a commitment at the beginning of this year that I did not follow through with, and it was to get dressed more, just because I'm home doing this and running life and family and whatnot. I feel like I don't prioritize getting dressed every morning and like putting myself together, and I feel like not always is that the case. I mean, you'll see some really casual outfits throughout here, throughout my time on or throughout my outfits of the week videos, because not every day do I get dressed, not every day do I put on makeup, and that's just life. And most days I do because I'm filming, but I wanted to share these with you again as, I guess, outfit inspiration, and I want to bring back more fashion onto my channel and not just hauls, but also incorporating those new pieces that I did get or closet staples that I've had forever that you guys can still get your hands on into these sort of videos, because I absolutely love putting together outfits and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this outfits of the week. If you want to continue to see them, let me know. Leaving some comments down below, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up. It just lets me know that this is the kind of content that you want to come back onto my channel. And yeah, I'm super excited to bring them back. Like I said, not every outfit is or not every day of the week is gonna be like a beautiful outfit with my hair and my makeup done. Sometimes I just chill at home and don't do anything. So I'm still gonna show that as well, because that's realness. Everyone can relate to that. And I've got some really great comfy basics that I live in at home as well. So I want to share those with you guys as well. So everything that I can link from these videos, I will link down below. My makeup is always the same. It's always linked in my description box. My nail polish changes occasionally. My jewelry changes occasionally. But everything like that, all the outfit details will be linked down below. If you can or get something similar or whatnot, I will do my best to help you out with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are excited to see these back on my channel. And yeah, I love you guys. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it with Monday. As you can tell, I'm super excited. My nails are OPI's Cajun Shrimp. I have this denim shacket on from Abercrombie that I've had for a while, my little Apple Watch band. I have this bodysuit on also from Abercrombie. It's a boat neck style. I love this thing. If you do not have it, you need it. It's the best. It's double lined, so you can't see through it. And then these pants I have are from Gap. They are like a little jogger, sort of like a canvasy material, linen-y sort of thing. I don't know. I love the color and I love that they're jogger prints. They're stretchy in the back, so they're super comfortable, but they look better than just regular sweatpants. So that was Monday's outfit. Moving along to Tuesday, we had a Let's Get Stuff Done. I just have my regular Apple Watch band. I have OPI's Let's Be Friends nail color on. My little basic white cuffed shirt is from Target. This is just perfect. It's a little cropped, but not too cropped. I love the little sleeve detail. And I tucked it into my favorite Amazon joggers of all time. I have a little clip in my hair because I did not feel like doing anything with it. These joggers are awesome. They are such high quality and you can find them at Amazon, so I will link them down below. I own them in 2 other colors because they are that good. I live in them, I walk in them, I sleep in them. You can do whatever. They're super, super good. Moving along to Wednesday, basic makeup. I put my hair back in a pony and I have my little pearl earrings on. For my nail color, I have OPI Let's Be Friends, just my basic white Apple Watch band. This little top is like a sweatshirt material that's fleecy. It's a rugby style polo cropped sweater thing from Abercrombie. I'm pretty sure they still have it in stock. And then these shorts I got last summer and have been my all-time favorite. I'm pretty sure they brought them back this year, so I will try to link them if I can. They have been my most worn shorts. I own them in 2 different colors. I love the length. I just feel very comfortable in them, and they're stretchy and they're the best. And then I just paired them with my Birkenstocks because I wear my Birkenstocks pretty much every day.
On to Thursday, I curled my hair today. So showing you my curls. I have basic makeup on. My nails are OPI Let's Be Friends. I have my Apple Watch and the watch band that I got from Amazon. This top is from my recent Everlane haul, and I love it. It's a boxy, light blue Oxford. That's a very thick material. I love it. And I have these jeans on that are dark washed from H&M, and then my Birkenstocks, of course. Surprise, surprise. I have my hair clipped up in the back again with one of those clips. I just love them for quick and easy. Same nail color, same watch, and same watch band. This little button-up thing, multicolored thing is from Shein. Such a cute little find. I love it. It's an interesting material, but it's lightweight, and I like it for the spring and summertime. I have part of that tucked in, and I kind of just folded over the collar to give it a more relaxed, deeper V fit. I paired that with my Levi's jeans from Target and my Birkenstocks. So that was Friday's outfit.
So that's gonna wrap up my first outfits of the week. Again, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, as well as dropping a comment in the comment section down below if you want to continue seeing these videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next outfits of the week. Bye.